Okay, so this is the report part we were talking about. Yes, run the program status. Okay, just have a quick look here. Okay. Program status. What is the difference between the first and the second option? Is one, this program status, and that is one called program status CSV. Okay, so program status, CSV, and program status are almost the same, but CSV is just another file that you get in the CSV form because the success factor mostly supports CSV. Okay, got it. Another. You can run in the as an Excel sheet. You know why is it asking for name? Is it instead of the program? Which one, sorry? I can't really see. You see say user. Why is it program status as a user? They are teaching me only generating for me, so I should be a program ID, right? Hold on, where shall I go? Because I'm looking at this, that the person is choosing the dash. Okay, it's choosing the user. Because you're running this for a particular user, right? Okay, but no, I'm running it for a particular person. So if I, or then would not be this right if I, running for a particular program, user status right, this one. But I want to run a program in half the program ID. I can run the program ID to see who are the user in that program. Yeah, that's okay, that's okay. Whatever you program you run, that will show you that detail only. It just says that you are running this for active users only, where this program is assigned. So let's say, some people are terminated. Why do we? Why would you run that report right now? No, I'm talking about the truth before the screen. They actually search for the person, not the program. If you see this, they actually search for the user, not based on program. So that's why I'm asking you, is it only can search by user, or can search by program? No, we can search by program also. Okay, because this particular one is run by person. Excuse me. That's why I was asking about status. I'm asking that initial pages they run by user. See, it's not running by the run by a user. So this is my question. You see each user you want to include. Yeah, so you're running this for you. I mean user. No, you're running it for you. You only want to run it for program. Program to know who is a user. Okay, so how should I? Okay. Simple what you can do when you run the program. Status report. You don't choose anything. I am choosing one employee. Either you can do one. Either you select everyone or you just go see the filter purpose. Okay. So you don't use any user, you just click on a program status. You run the entire report only for program. You just provide program's ID. Okay. In this example, it just showing that what is the status of this particular program for this user. Okay. Yeah, you can run it for programmers. Okay, I understand. So I'm wondering, is it only for the user? Okay. Thank you, so this one helps. So, oh, we can. So I can run a program, status report. So as I shared. So how do you edit the description means, can I? After I create a new program and everything right, but suddenly we notice all the description it's need to edit. So I tried to edit. I can't find any edit button. Let me show you a very simple one. Not sure whether is it because some need to. Yeah, so you see, I know, okay. Nothing. So you know right when you have assigned this program to people, that will have an impact. Yeah, so generally, but still I doesn't show where to edit. You can create a overview or there's a modified. Okay, modify title. Title house, is that I want to tie description house. Yeah. Modify program. Lesson overview setting how 1-2. Let's go here. Let's see. Okay, I have to go to the next one. I tried created by what you thought, so I created. I was trying to show you on. The system was quite easier there, but I went to try on the production team. I went to try a live on see how it works. So now probably is I can cancel. So, oh my god, I did a testing, but I cannot cancel. So I'm trying to see how to cancel it because I did in a production. So adding a program we already did right. Yes, I tried. Yeah, I follow. Yeah, that's a problem. So shall we move to the content management? What content management? The online content management. Oh no, I was asking, how do you edit the description? Yeah, that's what I'm trying to show you in the system, or the system is not there. You generally go and search for the program here actually. This is the part. The description is the one I cannot. This is the one, this one, right, yeah, the one that cannot delete ones I created. No, we can do it. We have. Can we move backwards and forward more? Because there's one called modify the program. Does that teach us how to do it?